Yeah, so more goodies arrived in the mail. We have the Unifilter air filter and the pre-filter to go on the cfmoto 450. Now let's go. So first we just need to remove the cover. There's a 4mm Allen key down there. Just two that need to be removed. And we just pull that cover off, and that's where the pre-filter will replace that that snorkel there. And then you got your element by that there, and that pulls out. So the snorkel has to come out of that plate, and that gets reinstalled back in its place. So it's really not going to be easy. No, that's alright. Just pop that out there. There we go. And that's that part of it done. So this is the standard air filter that's come out of the bike in its plastic holder. We take that out, and the new Unifilter just slots back in its place. Press it in there. Get rid of that one. So that goes in. The instructions quite clearly say to use a sealing grease around there, just because that's rubber, the other's foam, and the foam, beg your pardon, the plastic can warp when it heats up. So just going to put a little bit of grease. Unifilter even say on their website they recommend regular bearing grease around it. So just going to put some of that on, and that's just to seal it, make sure dust can't get through there. There we go. So back over to the bike, that gets slotted in all the way down there. Part goes in, and just to check that that's right. Yep, that's going well. So after we've got that in there, it's just a matter of then reinstalling the cover, which of course has got the pre-filter on. And it's a matter of lining that up in there. There you go. It actually makes it a little bit easier to see those screw holes now. Let's just show you that. So that when that sat on there, it sort of was hard to see those holes. Now that's not being used. Makes it a lot easier to see. So they just get in there. And tightened up. And there we have it. The pre-filter and the main filter installed. There you go, folks. Don't forget, if you do like the video, please subscribe and like it. It'd be great. Thank you.